No, not really.
And we can clap the paws. Hello guys, today we have a special guest, Fluffy Cat Patrick.
Hi guys. Today we are opening Taba Squishy School. Yeah.
Interesting. Who gonna study there?
Who? Is it gonna be you? Let me give you first Taba Squishy.
Oh wow, I love that's a Taba squishy. I love this school. Okay, I can't wait to open it. Wow, it's so soft and so fluffy and stretchy.
If you will graduate the school with diploma, you will receive this lucky tat. Okay, first lesson, how to squish.
Sure, that's easy. Patrick, did I do it right? Did I squish it right away?
No, not really. You have to be more careful. No, you squish it in the wrong way.
Is that better?
Oh yes, that's much better. Please be more gentle. Okay, and now lesson number 2. Let's make paw fluffy.
Oh, I like it so much. It's squishy and stretchy. Look how stretchy it is. And very, very soft. Okay, we have some fluffy little balls in a bag. And let's make our paw fluffy.
Don't shake me.
Oh, nice. It's fluffy now.
And now, lesson number 3. Learning to throw a paw.
Oh, that's easy. Let's start.
Or easy. And now, lesson number 4. We study the types of paws.
Types of paws? But we have only one squishy paw here.
The name of the lesson is unboxing.
Okay, let's see how many do we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's open the first one. That's a nice packaging. Okay, that's the blue one. Oh, that's so soft and fluffy. Not that stretchy as the black one. It's less stretchy, but more fluffy. Look at this. Okay. Now where's the pink one? All right. This one is stretchy but smaller size. Cute too. Okay. And a little bit bigger size. The purple one. We have 2 purples. One smaller, one is bigger. I like those balls inside. Oh, this is nice and soft. This feels like more like a slime. I like the color. Okay, and the last one. Oh, that's the little cute purple one. It stretches as well. It's so cute. And we can clap the paws. These are the same size, just different color. I think the black one is kind of the same size, but more soft and more stretchy. And these 2 little ones. We have in each bag nice little balls to make our paws more fluffy. This is cute. I love them all. Let's decorate with fluffy balls.
And lesson number 5. paw decoration.
Oh yes, that's right. We have a glitter to decorate. Okay, let's start with a blue one. I like that. And I think it's gonna look nice on that white pink paw. Wow, look at this. How cute is that? Nice color. And let's try to decorate black paw with our orange glitter. That looks cute. And now let's take the green one and decorate our blue paw. They look cute with glitter on. Very festive. And what else do we have? Let's try this golden color glitter on this little paw. And we have one more. This is a nice color, the purple. Let's try it on bigger purple paw. Let's rub it in. Okay guys, these are new breeds of cat paws. Leave a comment which color do you like the best. Okay, let's clean up a little bit and make it look nice.
And now, lesson number 6. Make a nice picture of Taba Squishy.
Okay, now I'm gonna make a nice picture of our Taba squishies. I think it looks good. Let's see. Oh, not bad.
No, that's not good enough. We need to find out a better background.
Okay, I have a good background, I guess. Looks nice. I think it's a good background. What do you think, Patrick?
Or yes, I like it. And now, lesson number 7. We need to learn how to wash our Taba squishies.
Let's put it all on a plate and take it to wash. Okay, now we will wash our paws. It doesn't want to wash away. The glitter doesn't want to go away. It's gonna stay forever. Nope. Still glitter is on. And now let's dry them out. Glitter is still on. Okay guys, glitter is still on. It doesn't wanna wash away. Let's dry them out a little bit more.
And now, our last lesson for today. We need to put our Taba squishies to sleep.
Alright, we have a nice box, so we can put all our Taba squishies to sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Have a good night. What do you think, Patrick? I was a good student today?
No, I don't think so. Today you're not gonna get this lucky cat pen.